As you can see, I'm here with a delegate from the Fellowship of Gospel Music Ministers of Nigeria, Fogmon. High Chief was a very dear friend and a father to this association of gospel musicians in this country. He has single-handedly given us a support that nobody else in this nation has done in terms of its volume and its capacity. And I think he's also a very towering figure in terms of his contribution to the industry and being the pioneer private media mogul in the country. He's a passionate, and with the few times we had interaction with him, he showed his commitment to a nation that practices the principles of fairness and justice, and then also the need for unity and oneness in the country. And I think that endeared him so much to us. So we are here as a group on behalf of our 36 states in Nigeria, 5 countries of the world, to express our condolence to him. And that's the reason why we came. Well, death is a certainty. Everybody must die at a point in time. And coming to the reality of this happenstance is something that everybody needs to adjust to. I think it's sudden, but the adjustment process must have started, and we encourage them to take fortitude, to bear this loss with great fortitude from above.
Yeah, what he did for us during our national convention.
Yeah. He's a very key leader here, and he's just reminding me that High Chief and to the instrumentality of his patronage to our organization gave us almost 4 hours of airtime free, live broadcast, live coverage free to our association. And I think that is a major, we were like above the earth when we experienced that. And I think that was massive. And that's why I said initially that nobody has given us that kind of support in terms of the volume and capacity. Yeah. My name is Asu Ekiye, but you must add the Prince of the Niger Delta. And I am here with St. Ruben.